Hey, RV Reno Reggie here. Today we're in the Wild Roam RV, and I'm going to show you how to make a really small space feel a little bit bigger by removing this wall. Sorry, one-man band here. Yeah, so, stay tuned, and maybe you can feel confident enough to make your tiny home feel just a little bit bigger. You all set, Miles? I'm gonna take that as a yes. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna start by removing this cabinet so we can better get at the wall pieces. Okay, so the missus is supposed to clean that out. That's a bit awkward. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Yeah, all right, cabinet's gone. Trust me. Let's just forget about the wild rooms, wild secrets. We're gonna get this wall down now. Yeah, the piece de resistance. How does one start? Oh, okay, that would be a starting point. That was hell. I'm sorry I didn't shoot more of it, but at one point I was upside down. Donkey kicking. But hey, got the job done. Look at this. No wall. That's where the wall was. So hopefully with your reno project, you can get rid of that pesky wall that you want to get rid of too. Let me know how. Thanks for tuning in. I'm RV Reno Reggie from the Wild Roam. So tune in next time. Losing my job to a machine. Ooh, turbo mode.